Ulysses.
Hey, Swag.
I was just taking a nature walk.
Me too. Let's
Do you
go.
want to walk? Yeah, let's walk together. I love the woods. Like, look at all these stems.
Yeah.
Like, they're pretty cool. Jumping in stems.
Okay. Huh? There's a
ahead.
Joker card.
A Joker card?
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, wait, move over. Can I see? Oh, yeah, a Joker card.
Joker card.
Let's
Just
just go.
pass it.
Maybe someone threw that there.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the leaves there.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to go to the grass. I don't really want to go to the leaves. Like, look.
Well, let's take this path.
Okay. Take this path. Yeah. Okay, I'm walking. Oh, we reached orange bricks.
Stone path.
Cool. I love taking nature walks, right?
Well, yeah.
Yeah, it's fun.
Yeah.
Ooh, let's keep going. I think
Okay.
I see a grape tree.
Oh, yeah, let's go. Oh.
Yeah, there's a grape tree.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Do you want to pick some?
Well, I love grape trees. They're cool. They give you free grapes. Pretty cool. Yeah, so there's a cool grape tree here. Like, oh, look. There's the grape tree.
I'm going to get one.
I'm going to get one from this mini pile over there. Like, ooh, can I try one?
Okay.
That one? These grapes are juicy and delicious.
know.
Yeah, like, anyway, let's finish on. Look, I think I see another tree. Come on, let's go. In the grass. Ooh, look. Cool. This grass is cool.
Yeah.
Oh, look, there's a rose tree.
Ah.
There's
Yeah.
not producing any roses yet.
Whoa, whoa. Help me,
Like,
Swag.
be careful, Neon. This is like, don't worry, you'll be okay. Like, there's a. Oh, I think I see an olive tree there.
Oh, yeah, let's go to it.
Yeah.
Well, these are thin.
They-
Thin makes the dream work.
Oh, look at the olive tree.
Olives and cute little ends.
Look at those olives. They're not ready yet.
Yeah.
They're growing.
Yeah.
See? Look at these big.
Yeah.
Okay. Like, let's go to the tree. Climb the tree, maybe.
Okay,
Climb
let's
the
go.
tree.
Whoa!
There's the tree. I'm gonna go on it. Whoa.
Okay, yeah.
Like, climb. Hey, Neon, Ulysses,
Hey,
I'm up here.
Hey, Swag, I'm up here too.
Whoa, I'm going high.
Whoa, whoa, whoa!
Like, be careful.
I catch
You're gonna land on the grass.
Catch
girl, so.
me.
Like, wow. This is a cool, like, scene. Backdrop.
Oh, I landed in the grass.
Yeah, I was
On.
Ah.